All right, so software development is dead. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I want to start off by showing you a project, an app, a web app that I created over this weekend with zero knowledge in coding. And I did it all using AI. So let's quickly jump over to my computer and I'll show you what I created, and maybe I'll give you a little bit of background about me if you don't know who I am. My name is Lior Vaknin. I'm a business coach and mentor for hundreds of service business owners on how to master lead generation themselves. Now in 2025, one of the things that, A, we're required to do, and B, are great for lead generation is instead of just providing value, is we can now create tools, awesome tools for our clients. Now, what should we create? What should you create? It really depends on what your client needs, what your prospect needs. And in my case, I teach them Google ads, Facebook ads, SEO, local SEO, all that stuff. And one of the things that people need the most is, how do I optimize my Google ads campaign? And so obviously there's a lot to it with landing page and the campaign structure. But one of the things is keywords. Now, a lot of people are spending a lot of money on useless keywords. And among these useless keywords are their competitors' keywords. And so what I did is I created this tool, which basically all you have to do is plug in your business. So let's say your name is Bob HVAC. Okay, Bob's Appliance Repair and HVAC. Let's say that this is who you are. Boom, it looks up all your competitors. It sees that you're a general contractor, and it found all the competitors in your market. Now, right now, is in Morton, and in his, 20, 30, 50 mile radius, it doesn't have that many. But let's say you're HVAC Los Angeles, okay, which most likely would have much more than 10 people in his competition. All right, so now you have 51 competitors. Okay, so all these, now we can basically generate their negative keyword. Okay, so this gives you a snippet. And again, this is for us. If you're a coach like me, this is a great lead gen option. And so now we gave them a snippet of 10. And if they want the extra 41, they now put in here their name, Johnny, and now their email. And my name is johnnyemail@gmail.com. And then we'll click on submit. Boom. Now we get basically a tool that generates leads for us. Now we can run ads to it. We can promote it organically. We can do whatever. But this entire tool, now it sends it into Go High Level. And now, they're starting getting automation. And all of this, I was able to create over a weekend without knowing how to code using this tool. This is Cursor. If you don't know, it's a must-have for coaches and consultants, in my opinion, in 2025. You have to become technical enough to be able to speak English to this machine, to this AI tool, which is basically like ChatGPT, but for software developer, because it's not just give you a back and forth, it actually creates things and codes for you, and you just need to give it the instructions. So this is what I was able to do. I think that, we're entering like a crazy time where everything becomes commodity, and now it's just how big your imagination is, because software development is no longer a constraint on a business, which, again, as someone who spent tens of thousands of dollars throughout the years on different projects, now I can just speak it into existence using these AI tools. This is an absolute game changer, and I advise all of you to look it up, think about what your clients and potential clients need, want, and play with it and make it alive, and then just market it. This is what I would do. Hope you enjoyed. Again, this is my secondary channel to give you some of the behind the scenes of what it's like running a multi-six-figure coaching business. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to hit the like and subscribe for more videos like this. And see you guys here in the next one. Let me know if you have any questions, by the way. Drop them down in the comment section below. Peace.